separate duplexes and second alarm.
Affirmative, then we'll need the second alarm units to stage on Coolidge.
Copy, second alarm units to stage on Coolidge.
All right, so what happened tonight? Like, what did you hear and stuff?
Well, I was watching a movie and I finished and I heard this big boom and I felt like somebody was on my roof, and so I kind of waited. I have cameras and I just kind of looked on the cameras, there was nothing there, heard a big another boom, looked on my cameras, saw the fire truck, I can catch all of this here, and I just came outside and like, holy moly, I don't know, it's crazy. I don't know what's going on.
So there was two distinct booms. How far apart were they? Yeah.
Maybe about 15-20 seconds, maybe.
Okay.
Enough to be like, oh my gosh, somebody's on my roof.
Did you hear any cars speeding away or anything
No,
like that?
nothing at all. There was like one car that was parked on the side of the road, and it pulled forward, and I saw some dude run across on the camera. Didn't think anything of it, and a few minutes later, boom.
All right.
So I don't know.
All right, well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And engine 2 respond for second alarm fire at 1434 Water Street with the crest of Coolidge. At page 42, David 1 and stage